Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 5 multiplication. So open your maths book to the page number 55. Okay. So all of you know that multiplication is repeated addition, right? In multiplication, the number to be multiplied is known as the multiplicand. Look at here, students. Here 5 is multiplicand because here 5 is multiplied 2 times. So which number is to be multiplied? That number is called multiplicand. Okay. The number by which the multiplicand is multiplied is called the multiplier. Here 2 is multiplier. Here by the number 2, 5 is multiplied. So it is called multiplier. Okay. So 2 is called multiplier. 5 2s are 10. So the result that we get after multiplication is called product. Okay. Here 10 is product. Now look at the properties of multiplication. Numbers can be multiplied in any order. The product will remain the same. 5 into 7 equal to 7 into 5 equal to 35. So you can see here, students, whatever the order is, the product will be the same. Okay. Next, when a number is multiplied by 1, the product is the number itself. 6 into 1 equal to 6. When we multiply a number by 1, then the product is the number itself. Okay. Here 6 is multiplied by 1. So we get the number itself, 6. Okay. Next, when a number multiplied by 0, the product is always 0. 8 into 0 equal to 0. So when we multiply a number by 0, then we will get always 0. Okay. Here 8 is multiplied by 0. So we get 0. Okay. Now come to the exercise 5.1. Find the product. So students, to find the product, you have to remember the multiplication tables. Okay. Like 9 4s are 36. 3 7s are 21. So remember the multiplication tables and do this. Next, find the missing factor. So how can we find the missing factor? I am giving you 2 examples. Okay. Look at here. Dash into 5 equal to 30. So here we have to remember the multiplication table of 5. Okay. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20. 5 5s are 25. 5 6 are 30. Right. So we have to write here 6.